Well, good Sunday, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the weekend. It was fairly quiet. We did have pockets of heavy rain, but most of the time we remained dry out there, and we saw some sunshine like we're seeing right now in Savannah. Homewood Suites on the river camera view showing a beautiful shot there looking towards the west. The temperature is warm at 91 degrees. Southwest winds at 7 miles an hour makes it feels like it's 94 degrees. How about Tybee Island? Well, we talked about this in the top of the newscast. Boy, people just trying to catch a couple last hours there on the weekend, and you know what? It's not too bad. Hotel Tybee camera showing a temperature of 85 degrees outside there with a southerly wind, so you're getting the effects of that cooler ocean breeze. Now, temperatures inland will have cooled a little bit over towards Statesboro at 89 degrees, where you had some very heavy rain. As far as other temperatures, we're hovering right around that 90-degree mark, although right along the coastline, we are talking about middle 80s. Now, inland areas, as I just talked about in first forecast, we're having a severe thunderstorm warning. This is in effect for about another 45 minutes or so, although the storm has weakened here just in the last, I would say, 10 minutes, I should say. But it's still producing, again, cloud ground lightning, and it also is producing some hail and some gusty winds along with it. Anywhere along I-16 from, say, Alline over towards Register, that's an area that is being targeted with those heavy rains. And as it moves to the east at about 15 miles an hour, it will start to run into places like Denmark and Mitchell Forks here in the next 20 minutes or so. This is what I'm talking about. Over the last 2 hours, over 2 inches of rain, an inch an hour. So that's some pretty intense rain, needless to say, just to the south and west of A-line. So any storm impacts with this severe weather that we do have out there would be gusty winds, number 1, and then hail and some cloud-to-ground lightning, 2 and 3, and then flooding fairly low because the storms are moving at a decent rate. All right, our futurecast picking up on those storms, moving a little closer to I-95 here and towards closer to Savannah by the time we get to around that 8 o'clock hour. We'll watch it closely here, and we'll see if that does occur. But as we get to around 11 p.m., those showers will start to dwindle, and as the overnight period unfolds, again, things will be fairly quiet under variably cloudy skies. But we'll do it all over again tomorrow afternoon around 3 o'clock. Some spot showers will be seen, some of which could be strong to severe during the course of the midday period. And your 12-hour forecast from 7 p.m. tonight till 7 a.m. shows us having those showers diminish by the time we get to 10 and 11 o'clock. By 1 a.m., 77 degrees, and by 7 p.m. tomorrow morning, we'll be waking up to middle 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, middle 80s to around the lower 90s under partly sunny skies with some scattered afternoon thunder showers. And here is your 7-day forecast. 91 tomorrow, 89 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Those 2 days, both Tuesday and Wednesday, highest rain chances here. On Thursday, though, we really drop off the rain chances just to 20%. Friday right now, only a 10% chance of seeing a spot shower. I think Friday is our warmest day and our driest day all in all in the 7-day period. Even Saturday, not too bad. 94 degrees, only a 20% chance of seeing a shower, but we ramp it back up to typical summer-type weather by the time we head into